I was saying, hello Lune, Sister Jakubeta, Turbeta Hale, Kiatoman Kabelimputa Jagulinute, but Hayo today. Hayo, but in the party of the family. Jagulini, she's still in the party in the family of the, yes, she's in the family still. But Jagulini, untala high, doing things are high, sorting into the high, the family is a high, personally. But Jagulini is a part of this family, Luna, Baratongo Tiba or Jagulinu Kai. But hey, here I am, guys. Sister Jakubeta Turbete Hale, Febelenki of the Pearl of the July of the horse. Kikupali jote di febetena taba puluso ba fokof. Jotan di febetena taba puluso. Ba koutan di timana fonna, ba sa di koutin fobona, ba fokof, ba rusutem. Luna di turbeta taba puluso the Holy Cross Choir of Holy Angelina, Fokofamon. Holy Angelina, Fokofang, Luna di turbeta tahale, take it and bitiri, bo Holy Angelina or Holy Jerusalem. Lunaba Pulus about to quote and diverse. Nekikupa foko, limfoko feeling le hawanin lenaloka. Unless Ibo told you Lamona or understand or this is the content, I want to make an ante, Deuteronomy Kappa. If you told you Lamo, do Lamona or understand or this is just the content. It doesn't, how na mo ikenante who Pastor November, Kappa who Dr. November, Luna, Bo Holy Angelina, Foko Fang Onajwali. Fuck off. Bo Holy Angelina of Holy Cross Choir and the Holy Evangelism of the highest Jerusalem. Fuck off. Holy Angelina of the highest Jerusalem. Fuck off, Amon. Hawana Lina. How? Hona monte kietang di patrote taga di kopane ni Dr. Noma. Hadia kopana next Mona day. Haki Dr. November. Haki Pastor November. Mona ki mu tufela mona. Ya to banka mdava. Rubuwa ka sexe mona. Ka Friday. So Holy Jerusalem, Holy Angelina, Holy Holy of the revival of holiness of the Holy holy grr foko fa mona unless le tlo dula mona le understand that this is a content unless you have a problem fuck off Korean you don't need to comment fuck off out to the kuri uyetse ufokofe ututhi uyitse tu Holy Angelina fotek kontina hampi kompotsa hore is this really a pastor fotek I batlo wena I'm not your pastor is this a real pastor yo I had the respect for this man I was fotek with that respect take your respect in take your respect is in the dirty bag and fuck off Leon. English because I know little comment English mo. So I know some of you will be saying, yo, I used to respect this man. Mamela, fuck off and that respect for you and make it when you live this life, you take that respect of you and fuck off and take it in the donkey bag of fuck off of go of their life. Korikir unke respect and fuck off Leona. You need that you make that respect of you of the donkey back of yes yeah you make that respect of you take away and fuck off with that respect of take away of yours fuck off are you kineteki muhlompa November na kitibwetsa etse nga hlompho yeno fuck off Leona tokuzwetsa ka sgoa make that respect of take away of take of you go on both you respect and you take away and fuck off in together with your respect and fuck off and go fuck off straight forward utsama straight ufutswe ka life nyaka bo Holy Angelina of Holy Jerusalem fuck off and go straight to go for sec. I get a comment after this. I cover it. If you don't want to comment, yeah, Holy Jerusalem after this thing, I come out. Guys, today we're going to talk two things because this is the season ya bufebe banne. This is the season ya bufebe. This is the febelenki of the season of the hurjar or of the febas. Now this is the season ya bufebe. Today this is the season. Wabana now it's a season of the febelenki of the hurjar of the devil July of the horse of the grr season relong yo kena ka bofebe bana ba go gae go febua straight even me too today ne ke tsama ka bike on my way to church when I was driving to church ka ke fita limo ke yi hona o se amphaza semo ai apere skirt moyo o ntse se phamisa tsene ke batle ke thula kolo ya motho ka molo batle ke thula kolo ya motho ke skete moya o ntse re shu o se phamisa o re hai I hear when my vuvuzela my is is it was it wanted to stand. He wanted to stand. Hey, you need to behave. He wanted to make stand. You are not going to disappoint me. Sleep, because we are on a bike. Just behave. Yena season ke buhuri jar of the hurinki habuhloko. Now ke tlo le jotsa dintho tse two. I'm not going to take time today. A ke batlo no kara kotelele ke tlo le ruta ntho tse pedi bana ba ka lona ba kara the relationship. Whether you are in a marriage o mosadi lona basadi tlonkwana lona ba dulang ba siwa fela ne shiwa ngamadota ne shiwa ke di boyfriend tsa lona tlonkwana bana ba ka tlontlo dula mona lona ba siwa ke di boyfriend ba ne di boyfriend di lisia ka tlong kapa bana ba lona ba lisia ka tlong izani ndizo nikelele ukuthi babalekela ntoni ngaphandle ba mathiswa ke nkantle ka mona le lona bo osibaka ke a tsema re le lona bo le febiswa ke eng ke a tsema le febiswa ke re tlo bua ka ntho but ke kopa re qaleng ka banna pele ntho e febisang banna ba lona di boyfriend tsa lona e ba febisang dikana dipedi zingaka dikana ntho tse febisang banna dikana babitseng batle kwa babitseng hle bitsang banna ba lona I mean bitsang basadi ba nyetseng le di girlfriend tsena le bothata ka batho ba bona babitseng batle kwa ke tlo bua le bona dikana ntho tse febisang banna dikana tse febisang basadi dikana zingaka tse febisang banna dintho tse etsang gore banna ba febe dikana ntho tse febisang banna ba lona le tse febisang di girlfriend tsa lona dikana ya pele ke fang alenkutlwa ya pele ke fang ke a ipheta ntho tse febisang banna dipedi izinto ezifebisa amadoda zethu dintho tse febisang basadi dikana ntho tse etsang basadi ba febe dikana ntho tse etsang banna ba febe dikana dikana tsa banna tse febisang banna dikana ba bitsang basadi ba nyetsweng ba tla kwa ya pele ntho e febisang banna ke fun. Number one, fun. Banna, every man is looking for a fun. Kiapil. Your talent is fun. That is why, as we speak, banna ba jwale. Amato te se jwale. And the only thing about isang jwale ke fun. The only thing about isang different thing ke fun. Yonke nje bas ethatha amadota ibase eba kozini eba isang different thing e ba isang jwaleng ke fun ntho e etsang gore banna ba ye bofebeng ke fun nothing else ke apeleng ke apele nje o qala nje ke fun ba batla fun they want to have fun ngiyoqala nje if le ke la understand I'm trying to banna ntho ya pele ba batlang ke fun that is number 1 yo qala le ke apele bana ba go gana ya pele ya bobedi good sex and a good sex if good sex it's amaisana le fun because sex has into e batlang go yetswa ka bosira sex guys sex is not for entire baby making of the baby makers lona sex e batla fun so a fun and good sex did amaisana together ezinto zemba zobe banna ba batla sex ba batla fun le a good sex now good sex le fun wa bona lona ba nyetsweng le lona batho ba etsa stay together ba etsa lenyalo la Africans le kutlwe mothabu ya ka lona re ke la Africans fat and set lenyalo le la fat and set guys the only thing e tlo etsang gore banna ba lona ba le sie ka matlong a lona ba fokofe ba ye ka ntle it's 1 ba batla fun number 2 ba batla good sex ba batla ntho tseno tse pedi re tla tlo bua a good sex lona basadi le batla ntho tse 3 number 1 number 1 basadi le bona they want fun I know nina aba fans I know le lona le batla fun that is number 1 number 2 le lona basadi hona le basadi ba batlang good sex I know basadi ba bang ba batla good sex ba bang not all of them because ba bang ba lona ke a tseba le botswa hampe ku khaba faza manqena ukyana ku rona basadi ba botswa ka sex ba botswa but basadi ba batla fun number 2 ba batla good sex number 3 they want money lona ya boraro ke tšhelete o lona ya boraro ba ntho etsa gore le febe lona basadi yengwe ya boraro ke tšhelete le febiswa ke tšhelete lona he ke a tseba ya boraro ha lona le febiswa ke tšhelete bana go gana ha le feba go re bila sometimes even if you don't get good sex ungafeba nje go re febiswa ke tšhelete doesn't matter gore o thola good sex ka pa hiyo doesn't matter jwa ke kwa ye kai it doesn't matter e kana kwa ya teng but solanka e ufa tšhelete nje lona he le febiswa ke fun hona le basadi ba batlang fun number 2 ba batla good sex then ba bang ba febiswa ke tšhelete that's all but thina madoda runa banna re febiswa ke dintho tse pedi every man most of us re batla fun that is number 1 most of men we want fun but on them le ntho tsa ka di hlaile yo Jabulini no bua hlelo yana o njwetse hore ntho se di hlaile o no njwetsa yo lona ha ina di lona bile lona basadi le tlisa confusion e hampe hantle ntla re tsebe lona le batlang lona lona bile le tlisa confusion a bohloko lona basadi jakuhle o shebehle yo le yona guys tlonkwana bana go gae lona taba lona basadi is difficult, it's complicated because ya lona ke fan le batla fan and then ya bobedi le batla good sex ya boraro he le batla tšhelete lona le batla tšhelete yo lona bile le ditsotsi lona le ditsotsi ampe lona yo lona le ditsotsi ampe lona basadi bile lona le ditsotsi ampe ya lona ha e guarantee ya lona yona is difficult we explain ya lona yona ke batlo le bua le shana ya lona le mamenemena hampe lona basadi ningamagqwirha mamenemena abaloi bagale lona le mamenemena hampe mamenemene izigebenga hayi yo lona le batla le tsamaya ka pina ya Brenda umuntu angeke umconfirme ngakumconfirm umuntu angeke umconfirm lona le happy yo lona le tlisa yo ni dermakar ile hlutse le lona selfa le tsebe le batla nini tla le batla kwa itse khulu ha re le fa tsona motho atle ka kwa ya khulu atle ka yona a ijerije eze ngayo umntana abantu eze ngayo ayifake kuri ulle ho sano tla bolla yo hae yena o monate mara hampi chelete ai yo lona le wes yo so motho wa ka o monate mara yo haetle o buto tla hampi chelete ai lona yo na lona I wes no swapa lona le khotse no hi lona lona le ntwa le bitswa skate kana ke ntwa yani ya we tshela tse ya balia e silver ya balia iri ya ibitswa ntho osmushwa ibitswa skate ibitswa nantwana nxa uyigalela phi baleka so iyabalia so untouchable into lonto nthusese ingole enhletyana ke nthweni isilver nyana nje awuyitsela so uyigalela iyabaleka so isilver nyana ka rimetsi ke inhle nthusa afri skate ke skate mara ke tswa ka ke batla ka English ai lona le khotsa ai lona motho ke kwa le predictor ai lona le khotsa mpe ai yo re tena rona di pizza kana ko re batla go khotsofatsa lona ai yo lona le khotsa ai mushwari ibitswa mushwari kapa ibitswa ntho isilver nyana tse inga ilukhiti nyana tse yabali ha ka itsela so yabali ya shifta ir ninjalo lena le all over le tibi le batlaman aniyazi lifuna ntoni yo yo lona ntile fibi kore lona kore fapa le tshwarise mathata banna ba tena banwa dipitsa nje ngenxa yeno re nwa dipitsa nene le tlabe le batla kuku le batla kwa itse tileng nene ha le tshwala tse tileng yo buto kwa ya nkutlisa bohloko nene ha ile nyane ile mashoto le alla yo kwa ya nyane le batla nene nya khala yo kwa ya ke mashoto yo buto hana kwa yo lona le bile le confused ba tlo ke bue bana gender ena ya runa ye hore banna ba febiswa ke ibitswa mushwari a ke tsebe bitswa a ke tsebe bitswa ntho mari silver tse I love it. So guys, are bring two things tse tsa bana ba febe ya pele ke ntho fun. Guys, don't kill your dress. Sex, if o batla sex e monate. Sex e monate e batla ho etswa kaf e batla le have fun. When little le have sex, number one, you need to have libe but by having fun. People ba dumelang funning ka tsela makatsa because guys, nowadays people are running after fun. That is why most of the time ho tletse di-taverneng, ho tletse di-clubong, ho tletse, because that thing e o bontsha hore abantu bafuna ukuvuya, batho ba batla fun. There is no man ayikho indoda ezohlala apha endlini. Awuna monna tlo dula ka tlung yena ho tense ho quiet. There is nothing interesting ka tlung. Manyalong a rona emizini yethu, manyalong a rona ho tense li dutse ka tlung ni hlele zindlini zenu li counter dikoloto ni wa rea ngamatyala, li wa rea ka dikoloto ka ra manyalo a lona le ka ra di-relationship tsena tsa Africans tsena tsa ntho manyalo ana a Africans fat and set ka ra manyalo a di-fat and set le ka ra manyalo the only time you li ditseng ka tlong ko wa rea fela ni wa rea ngamatyala, li wa rea ka dikoloto, li bua ka dikoloto, ni ngaki kuri li atouta, li frustrated, li miserable, li dutse ka tlong. That is why bona ngcili ntate modimo bona amadoda wena zonishiye ezindlini di-boyfriend tsa lona banna ba lona ba tlo lisia ka matlong ba fokofe ba ye ka ntle ba tlo lisia ka matlong ba tlo lisia ngoba nihlele ezindlini ha lona kuwaria ene ba bang ba lona umsebenzi wa lona kuwaria ka bana li dutse mosebetsi wa lona ke hai thabo ni khwaza abantwana li busy ka bana ka ramanyalo a lona li busy ka bana every day ni hlele ngabantwana li dutse li focus baneng li focus dikolotong manyalo a lona ke di mosari ba loiting of the loiser of the loy sis ke tswa Kayla K no ke tswa Kayla K before ke tlama ke ne Kayla K ke bone batho ba ntse ba kena Kayla K. We spoke to nale friend aka nal mogotsi wa ka Scofield ke re nka di bike tsa rona re ya Kayla K re mametse music re shebile batho re etsa window shopping wa utlwa bana ba go gae re etsa window shopping bo usba batle mono re etsa window shopping ha re ya Freya mogotsi wa ka o nyetse yena o nyetse nna he ke ntse ke le processing ya lenyalo because Jacqueline ute ne batla ke le tsaba nna ke batla wa bobedi Jacqueline ute so ke shota number 2 be ke kwala la bona bana boha so ne re tuletse Kayla K so ha ke dutse ke re Mari, you know, people are looking for fun. People are looking for fun, guys. And don't enjoy it, guys. Abantu bafuna injabulo. Guys, we are looking for fun. We are looking for fun. One of the things that is happening in our minds, you know why we are looking for fun? Because we've got problems, we've got challenges, we've got financial issues, we've got debts. We are looking for fun, guys. That is number one. So, when if there is no fun, if Musadi aya katunyahim, hosna fun, tonkelu joetsa bo butbaka, bazoni siya pa ba wafas beno, batoli siya mono na bo butiting, banating, ba sirasi jole kai karoti, ki Ramaphosa fana ka speech. Yo, na le banna ba ntenang di nonsense tsena tsa banna ga morso ya monno fumane ka ruti ki bishop o fumana le serious ka tlo ka re ke archbishop satan ntena banna ba rata mbu serious o fumana dutsi a dutsi ka tlo o fumana ntatena dutsi a le serious a dutsi e ka re ke bishop hana le title hona le bontate ba serious ni li serious kama li hona le batho ba serious hle ene le di satane hore lona batho ba serious, because what is painful le serious ka ramatlo a lona, mare mesebetsing ha le na le di-colleague tsa lona le a hleka le happy le a tsheya le a hleka le di satane lona batho ba dulang ka ramanyalo le di satane tsa baloi boloi of the loiser of loiloi le ngamagqwirha baloi ba kgale ntho tse serious ka re hote ke bona bo at Boshoff, I mean bo e bitswang mo e ka re ke bitswang archbishop e ka re le bo bishop le serious ka manyalong a lona ka ramalapa lona le serious ba loiza loiloi bo utlo motho a batla sex yo utlo motho a re utlo mosadi a re o lo roba o tla re ho monna hae nna ke batla ho robala o tlo ja ke kopa le shebe ke kopa le shebe sheba le mamele ke ka tlong ka mo ke ka kamoreng ka mo monna o dutse mo mosadi a batlatse skela tsamaya ke a bona o bone mosadi o ya ka kamoreng ne ha hae ba loiteng ba loi bana kapa bana ba difateng set ba manyalo Africans o ya ka kamoreng ne o ya ka kamoreng a le so a tinne diphahlo ne o ya ka kamoreng o jwetsa monna hore yo nna ke lo robala o sia monna ka kamoreng hai nna ke lo robala ke kgathetse fapa a ba tsamaya a ya ka kamoreng ha ke a hlahle le mati o bitsa monna motho a modimo wa batla kapa nna ke robale o tla ntho tse di etsang motho a hlaka digauno tse kana e ka re ke di-graduation motho a hlaka digauno tse kana ka dikobo o lo botsa monna mntu kathixo ka Sixhosa uyafuna mna ndiyalala na ungaziyo uyangifumana ndilele uyafuna yo mna uzangifumana ndilele mongwe haeba ke mosotho motho a modimo o tla botsa monna wa batla nna ke lo robala kapa o tla nthwana ke robetse nna wa batla tloho ha wa batla tloho ke teng sexe tse jwalo bo o ya batla lona le ntse nao nagana tse le botsana wa batla nagana o botsa monna o hlaile ka di o tla o apere dikobo diminki fotek yo sure o ya batla if o sa tle nna o tla nthwala ke robetse and o seka ba ntsosi ungandivusi mna nxa sendilela apho ungandivusi utlwa dintho tse etsalang utlwa di-sexe tsa malapeng utlwa di-sexe tsa malapeng utlwa di-sex eva nje kuthethwa ntweni emizini yethu utlwa manyalong a rona motho omodimo nna kry wa tseba ke sebetsa nako e telele na utlwe he monna wa tlaskepsele baby ke gadile tlo mphe lona yo ai manyalo ai fotsek yo motho jwale ha le qetile ya bobedi motho sa le ka dikobo indoda izile ne monna o sa tlile o sa le ka dikobong o re wa o tshwara baby o batla o bapadisa o utlwe motho a re ke kopa o jehle ke kopa o je nna ke tseba o robala ke kopa o je diqalutye ikikuku qhawukane nam ikikuku hayi le diqhotsi dicela ikikuku nje qhawukane nam uye kundibuza into ezibona monna o ka hodimo ntse a re baby e monate hle motho waka baby hle e monate ore a re itlwela o puta ye go puta difula ulala mna ke tlwela o puta ai yo ai ntwa manyalo le manyalo Africans moto santsa re wa bua yo baby e monate yo baby e monate motho ba re tloela o bua ntho tse ngata nka bo ja o ruta o qeta nna ke tlo robala nna ke batla o robala qhama ha ile diqhotsa athi qhama uqibe ruta o qete bane nna ke batla o gale I fuck off. I fuck off. Ay, yo. Mutasanza yo baby yo imunata re tloela o lla ka odimaka ye go khala phezu kwam tloela o lla ngabe uqeda obane nna ke batla o rota nna ke batla o robala ndifuna qhama uqibe ye go khala hayi le maqhotsa ye go khala phezu kwam tloela o lla ka odimaka rota uqeda nna ke batla o robala ba tlolesia lehlanye ba lisile no eso re bua tse ba lisile balisile ka sehlo ba lishia phezindlini zenu le dutse mono le panyapanya le bang ni panyapanya but the responsibility entse gore banna ba batho ba batsho le masadi ba batho ba batsho ba neglected dintho tsa bona. We don't have fun in our relationship. We don't have tlonkele qoqela nna le Jacqueline re buile eng. You know what happened? I'm going to tell you the honest truth. Nali Jacqueline, there was a time we did fast. Baby, we need to sit down and fix our relationship. Because our relationship reclusite from being a relationship, riente linyalo la 20 years. Karibisa, li Jacqueline, this relationship, riente relationship ya linyalo, it's like ikarike linyalo la 20 years. Because now, already se refocus the problem tsa kereke refocus the responsibility no nna kara I don't like this kind of a relationship I ke batle relationship so ha ke batle relationship ya stress ya frustration because we are not fighting nali sister Jacqueline we don't fight, we don't have issues, but our biggest problem kore ne refocus the problem tsa kereke the challenges in the we had to sit down mona go gae a re se ra yetsa tsena relationship ya guys we want fun kaofela haruna we want fun two when they have sex let's say have ka marriage Steve Gate of the issues. It's lunale have sex yale nyalo a marriage of fat and set of the marriage of staying together. Lunama have sex yale nyalo le santse le tlosiwa ke banna ba lona. Lona ba have sex yale nyalo because sex yale nyalo le sex ya dirile ya mujolong ya bofebe ndia fapana ziohlukana bantasa ziohlukana total sex ya mujolong e monate ka tsele baka tsang because kana kwe o le febang le jolang le cheatana sex ya bofebe e monate you know why because ha le kopana bofebe le have sex omulumuna le problem but ali di entertain kana kwe yo omnye nomnye ulibele ngengxaki zakhe side chick o tlo thola hore ka nako yo le kopana ngwena le partner ya le na le di problem ya a ke bika your husband or your wife a ke bika ka lona le hlotse lona bo husband and wife the sex tsa lona ke tsa marriage certificate of home affairs of the sex simple sex home affairs of the marriage of the sex of the family of children making sex e ka reng hote o tlo donate e ka re hote o donate ka sperm sa hao sex ya te ka re wa rape there is nothing interesting there is nothing interesting but let me tell you something go and check sex ya bofebeng sex ya bofebeng ke tlo ya bofebeng ke na le dikoloto ke na le di-challenges ke lo kopana le side chick ya ka e na le dikoloto e na le di-challenges but ha re kopana we are having fun when we have sex we having fun abantu batyana bevuyile sex ya bofebeng e monate because ha le jana bofebeng le neglect le lebala ka di-problem tsa lona le lebala ka everything sex ya bofebeng e monate because le ha le na le bana bofebe man ha le discussing the issues tsa bana bofebeng ha le discussing the issues mona ho lona manyalo nga lona le discuss the problem on Monday le discuss the problem Tuesday le discuss the problem Wednesday le discuss the problem Thursday Friday le discuss the problem Saturday le discuss the problem Sunday le discuss the problem for take habali jelle kelwane bantakwethu baje mabali kele habali jelle habali jelle Jelwan. Hi, Jelwan, Matas. Jelwan. Hi, Jelwan. Habali gel. Mabani gel. Habali gel. Mabani gel. Yo, habali gel. Yo, mabani gel. Habali gel. Yo. Manyalo. Le discuss matata ka Monday, le discuss matata ka Tuesday, le discuss the problem ka Wednesday, le discuss the problem ka Thursday, ka Friday le discuss the problem, ka Saturday le discuss the problem, ka Sunday le discuss the problem. Ay, kelwan matas. Ay, mabani ken, habali gel. Habali gel. Ay, habali gel le banboko khay. Mabani ken. Habali gel. Habali gel. Habali gel. Ay lona hloko gel lo straight. Gel long. Ay kelwan man. We want to have fun. Marriage o tshwantse be le nako umtshato fanele ube nexesha apho nithi libe selfish le re di problem re tla le bona now we are focusing to us a relationship ya lona if le batla a good relationship sometimes le tshwanela le be selfish le plelo problems sizoni bona but we want to enjoy our life now halena le bana le tshwantse le jetse bana re tla le bona but we want to enjoy our life thatha la bantwana benu ni basoko makhulu isambana balona obongkhono balona lona ba ratang bana until uneglect lenyalo ke re ha ba le jelle lona ba ratang bana ni thanda abantwana ugqitha imithatho yenu ke kopa ba le jelle ha ba le jelle. Let these people eat for you. That's who. Let these people eat for you, and eat is eat for it. Habali telle, mabani kelle. lona ba rata go focusa di-problemeng tsa bana mare le na le manyalo le na le di-relationship le na le di-partnera mabanikele ha ba le jelle a tla thabile monna wa hao hosane ezevuile a tla thabile ha o ntse morwa ka sefebetue gamorso o tsamaye bosiu gona jwala e sale o tsamaye le teka tsa bantse gore sorry baby ba re ka pelong a ntse gore ke gotse ga monate ditlhothi ka monate ha ba le jelle ke ma motho tlo dulang ke ma motho batlang go dula e ka re hote o memorial servicing every day imitshato yenu manyalo a lona lo a fetotse memorial service it's the memorial service who tense who emotional imitshato in the relationship tsa lona di tense di emotional kuri le bohloko ni ketamile ikare it's a memorial service of the funeral home of the funeral parlor fotek abale jelle kelwan man jelwan ay kelwan matas kelwan abale jelle abale jelle abale jelle ore hay ba utlwa ore ba shota ba ya sokola ba tla ba tlola ta mepudutso re ba fe le sister Jacqueline re ba fe mepudutso re ba fe dintho ba le jelle hot lona ntse le dutse le bana ba lona mo. That is why guys, it's very important to have a day, even if it's once a week. Have a day whereby I understand. In a marriage, we've got responsibilities, we've got accountability, we've got but it is not right the responsibility gets on as a dominator in your marriage, in your relationship. The dominator filter your marriage. You don't even think about your partner. You don't think about your husband. You don't think about your boyfriend. You don't think about your wife or your girlfriend. The only time the only thing you're in the koloto. The only thing you're in school fees. The only thing you're in gabantuana. Kio banabaka this, banabaka that. The only thing you're in kili responsibility. Lunaba focus on the responsibility. Habali jelle basadi, bali jelle banna. Mabali jelle. Hababaji, hamnat. Hababaji. Bondate. Habali jelle, hood misebeti mani. Habali jelle. Because banda basadi baluna babamba jwa misebeti. Habaju, hood mabajiwe. Habaju, kibafa blessing. I release a blessing of the G, of the Jelwa. Release a blessing. Hi, Jelwan Bazalan. Hi, Jelwan. Hi, Jelwan. Hi, Jelwan. Kakupa Jelwan. Habali Jelwan. Jelwan. Yo, hi, Jelwan. Once a week, it's very important. Issue once or two once. If Lena lead issue, issue once or twice a week. Then we focus on the responsibility. But Friday and Saturday, dedicate matsatsi as sex so that you enjoy sex alone. Lejane jwale ka difebe. Lejane o jemo sadwa o jwale ka roja se febe. Jam now lona basadi sometimes because ntwe utlwisang bohloko lona basadi hona jwale le tlabele re ha yo nna ska manje jwale ka se febe lona basadi ni na lonto bazalwana le na le ntwe ne a ruta mothare nna ska manje jwale ka se febe tsena di febe tsena tso tlo etso moditse but ntwe le nqetang ka yona mohlang o lo jwang kantle hona le basadi kantle ha o jola jwale ka se febe le jwa jwale ka di febe ene le jwa jwale ka difebe ka ntle ni kiwa njenge difebe ka ntle le jwale ka difebe mara ka ra malapa lona ka ra manyalo a lona ha le batlo jwa jwale ka difebe ha le batlo jwa ka jwale ka difebe le batla ho jwa jwale ka bo Holy Jerusalem. Baby, can I have that? Can I we are doing today, can I have that? Nahana, can I have that, baby, today? Baby, it's a vandaag. I feel, baby, you're not vandaag. And auto tolerate, lipili little jana, little discuss the issue saban. Pili little jana, little discuss the issue saban. Sikialaban, school fees is an little jana can I put him. Little account the land, little cool fees, little worker school fees, little worker call to kind of little jana. That is why the quiet alone. Ufman diemichi. Quiet alone diemichi. Yemichi. Ite. Quiet. Ufman diemichi. Yemichi. Vu. Ipipi. Ufman quiet ir. Because li reretse ka dikoloto. Li reretse li kelelenga makyala pili li tlo have sex. Li bua ka dikoloto, li bua ka di issues. Ufumane kwa irobeti yentsechen kuri irebeti tsechen ibilo ntsore baby khejwane ha imbiche kietse jwa nxa nje ndithi ngo ufumane bilo ntso omanya ngayo ngo ndithi nxa nje baby jwala ha ile kietse jwa o lebetse hore e tena ile tsena ka bakala hao le discuss the issue, le discuss the koloto, le discuss the responsibility, le discuss the le discuss the issues of the family, le discuss the family issues, le discuss everything. Maribo febe ha le tloa le founela na le etsa di appointment go baby fanda go go galet ke tlo kota baby yo le nna ke ready ntho e ke ratang bo febeng communication ya bofebeng le discussion ya bofebeng e fapane le manyalo a rona. Mojolo bofebeng yo baby o tla bofebeng language ya bofebeng jwa baby today I miss you ke to kota monate baby khaletso o kota today I want to fuck you yo baby I'm so horny ke batla o kotua hle baby baby o tla bofebeng o tla language ya bofebeng o tla language ya bofebeng baby ke helfanda khaletso kotua jo baby ha ka utlwa ke metsi jo baby kukwa ka metsi utla bofebeng go bua monate jwa utla language ya bofebeng utla monate jwa utla baby yo kukua ka metsi hle lo ela se motsetsa re baby o ka bona pipi ya ka eme jwa ya re pipi ya ka eme baby ya manyalo le manyalo ana Africans a faten set ya manyalo motho o founela fela a o founele fela motho ka thiko ungalibali gore ha o ntso ya o dibole class ha o ntso utla motho o founela manyalo utla language ya manyalo motho a modimo o ska lebala ukuthi aska patali school fees o ska mpa sebedisa tšhelete utla language ya manyalo motho a modimo o ska mpa ja tšhelete mo le matekatse o ntso ska mpa senya tšhelete o ska patala school fees o ska lebala hona jole bana ba ragadiwa ka bana ba le teng mo bana ba ragadiwa ka ko re pelo ka bohloko bana ba ragadiwa ka bana ba le teng mangwane wa ka o ba sile ba sina nix botshabelo man ha ona le phofu utla dintho tsa bofebe utla dintho tsa manyalo le discuss the problem ke la bohlano le discuss the problem motho wa modimo gore hona jela ke bua re netsem mane ntong samdela mangwane wa ka gore tshwere ke ntho ke cancer gore pelo ka bohloko utla dintho tse di buang if is when is theta emchape li bua di problem li discuss the problem li di manyalo li di relationshiping li discuss the problem and that is why sex is alone that is why now luna basadi agree runa kwa itsa runa tlebedientse kwa itsa runa dientse na tlo kwa itsa runa dientse ya lupakam tsalo na jwa le dikuku o tshwantse re ne re dikuku tsa lona le tsone o fumane le dry ikuku ithe e le lengangajana ithe kuku tsa lona o fumane itse jwalo tshwantse re ne re ai fotek kuku ya tete kuku ithe ke lengangajana ai linganga oh jwale tshwantse re tshatse ka mathe jwalo Leontina ma oh ai Leontina forse oh Leontina ai oh ai Leontina ai Leontina kuku e dry itse ithe e dry jalo tshwantse re ne re se thamse ngamathe ai suka wala khatatsa mak nebile te kokwela le ke Frida ibila le mphile next Lentin so ka ntse kokwela le ke Frida hi intina lora can't do anything everywhere Friday even if today ne ke batla jobe ke o seng I ke aya because I was thinking urish I ke a jobe ke tlo sokola o yesa le ke Frida hi ke tlo le tloela hle na I tlo le tloela bon dikwai tsama ipipi za semechato dikwai tsa runa manyalo di so dikwai tsa manyalo di tse itse kwai ipipi ya semechato kwai ya lenyalo itse o tshwantse nore o tshwantse nore but samosha ba kwai ya bofebe e emetše kwai ya bofebe e emetše kwai ya bofebe imile because batho ba bofebe they know how to bring fun in their marriage in their relationship and I hope wena Lerato you are not negative for the whole pastor I hope you are not negative because ke le jwetse ka re le foko femon ke le jwetse ka re this is not the time ya kereke mona I don't preach mon ke bua ka sex I hope you are not saying this negative in a negative way o foko fe ke itse bo holy Jerusalem holy Vaseline of holy vaccine foko famona ke mona ke lukisa country mon I hope Lerato le Gapol I hope you are not negative I hope you are not negative. Kwaitsa manyalo, kwaitsa banna ka ra manyalo zithe ema ka dithapelo imange mithandazo di kwaitsa manyalo batho ka ra manyalo di kwaitsa bona di struggle basadi ba nyetsweng dikuku tsa bona di try. Why? Because we don't have fun, we don't have fun, we don't create fun. Asingwa bantu bonjabula, hano bantu babatla ngotha. Next. The only time that we are focusing, refocus the problem, refocus the kolotong, refocus in. Basante batlo le jelle, ene ke rapela re ba le jelle, ha ba le jelle, kore ba be ba le jelle. Kore kwa yana ke when I lerato li, I'm sure wa fihla life nyaka. Now o tlo mfadisa fats, now something to arabana le wena o nyetse pastor. Now something to now tlo mfadisa from. Do you know that kinalina go almost a year ke etsa this content? Almost a year. People, they know everything about me. Now when I tlo mfadisa fats, I need to answer you. Who are you? Omangwena something to araba or ke nyetse kapa ke anyana. If you have a problem, my number is 073-202-9079. Call me. If you have that is my personal number, 073-202-9079. That is my personal number. Kwaitsa banna ba ka ramanyalo. Kwaitsa banna ba ka ramanyalo. Dishwile di kwaitsa runa ka ramanyalo. Di zifile, di shwile shwi. Di kuku tsa batho ba ka ralenyalo. Di dry. Basadi ba nyetseng. Di dry di kuku tsa bona. But the same people, when Baljola, kwaitsa bona di emache. Ipipi zabo, di kwaitsa bona di emache. Di emache. Ikare ke le sole la Burundi. Ientsa attention. Kwaitsa bona di emache. Bufebe, di kwaitsa runa di emache. Bufebe, di emache. Luna, bufebe, Luna, basadi, bufebe, bufebe, kukuta luna dietache, di bufebe, dinale grave, huh? Sheba, bufebe, dinale grave. Why? The sex at bufebe, dimonati. Why? Because we are making fun. We have fun. We have fun. We have sex, fun, and then marmanyalo refocus the responsibility. Refocus in dikuku no tsalona e kariki desert dikuku tsalona lona ba nyetsweng e kariki desert o tshwantse itshase ka Vaseline tshwantse le ditshase ka Vaseline kuku tshwantse itshase ka Vaseline glow seal le ditshase ka Vaseline glow seal and a kuku ya 32 ina le Vaseline of the hymn of the original kuku tsalona diet di kuku tsalona di try hona go fana ni kiabe ke nge Vaseline ni tsatsa ka Vaseline because di try emi champion. Why? Because the focus the problem le dilana le di issues le dilana ki desert ke le hatata la le bana ba Israel bana ba tsama holona ikuku zenu dikuku tsalona ki desert o ka tla ka trata o bongola ka trata o di makuku eno o bongola ka trata hore kuku ena ke o maki kuku e tlo ngola o ka tla ka trata o ngole o di makuku re Nthabiseng skuku Olga skuku maki kuku kuru tlo ngola dikuku tsa nna di omme ziqwebile zimbathile bantwana bam diputswa kuru fumane diputswa e ka re tshetswe ka powder of baking powder diputswa dikuku tsa lona Lona yamphoqa lona. Suka. No. Oh. Hayi. Hayi yamphoqa hla. Two things. Hona le kukutso ka ngolang. O ka ngola wa bhala nga bhala. Ibile ina le scrafur. Hona le kukutse o mme o fihlela ina le scrafur. Ina le den draft. Kukutsa lona di o mme o fihlela dina le scrafur. No. Ha o ngwapa tse o e ngwapa o re ho tla ntho e putso no la le mphoqa o a le mphoqa o kila bona kuku ina le scrafuri ai na le den draft ngai na le mphoqa no kuku ina le scrafuri ai suka wale jelle yo wale jelle yo now why banna ba kantle why cheating it grow every day people who are cheating are running after two things fun and good sex, especially men. Agree kitse lona le batla fun, hape le batla good sex, but ntho le ntina ka bona le batla tšhelete lona. So ya lona yona is dangerous. O ya lona basadi a re tsebe le batla eng. Guys, wa bona yengwe ya dintho ene ke nana today. Ke re you know lona basadi. Agree some of you know o dula le monna ya tlotsamana every Friday. Your partner udula lisi ko tsama di different tsa o etsa eng o etsa eng ne the first thing in a chance le batho ba le etsa o tsone chance le etseng ya pele if ne le batho ba na le fun o tsone chance le etseng ya pele nje if you know it's Friday my partner o tlotsa mai ono tshwantse o mo bitsetse hae and create a good atmosphere. Agree what's about your partner every Friday what's a man, Saturday what's a man. Number one, nele tshwantse le thute o create la banna ba lona kapa di partner at alone. A good atmosphere, fun. Sometimes obey sound system kantle. Then how qetile with a braai ka buena especially lona ba dulang ka tropo jwale ka bo runa tje kana go tsedi you know okay monna ka o tshisa ka 5 ne okay ke a tsaba o tlo hlapa o tlo tsamaya o tlo ya majiteng sometimes if una le pleke family ena ya runa mo ne some because now it's winter guys I mean it's summer guys unka bana o ba isa haye kapa ba tshakisa kapa ba tlaneni a tlosalang le bona kapa you go outside o batla guest house kapa B&B how qetile you invite your partner or baby today please come I know onali o tlo ya somewhere le ba khotsi ba hao I know le o tlo tsama I know every Friday wa tsama but baby please come you hire a guest house we are guest house o buka a room smart how qetile o re lingerie out smart how qetile o re di wine tsa hao tse smart if monna wa ana jwala o re wine e monate how qetile wa motseba o rata ndo if ke motho wa ntho wa ke ya lona ye ntho kana ke ya lona le no ya batho ba batho ke ya batho ba batho man ya batho ba batsho e le ratang haholo ntho ke tla hopola ne o mo rekela 6 kapa mo rekela 12 ha o qetile o mo invitela guest house kapa B&B ha o qetile bore baby ke kopa o nje ha monate ha o qetile o ka nna tsamaya njwetse ke monna ka tsamaya lona njwetse ke o fe monna aka yang B&B abaja kuku ya mosadi wa hae abaja ha monate ba qetile ba tsamaya a ya ba khotsing ba aba siya mosadi B&B diamfuna. Let's say o bookile o khona o patala di B&B di cheap guys. You book o fihla patala B&B and then out qetile patala 350 B&B patala and then how qetile you call your partner. Baby, I know it's Friday today. O tlo tsamaya. Please, ke kopa o tle mona fela very quick. O tlo tsamaya motho wa ka please. Ke kopa o tle kwa ha o qetile o itse di lingerie tsa ha o tse smart and then ha o qetile o mo sendela location. Ha? Wa tla ha qetile ha bula o fumana o beile ke manjwala bo ba lona bo le bonwa man ba batho ba batsho abantu bona bo le boratang lona batho ba batsho man bona bo le boratang kana ke dintho kana ke savana. If I don't savana o mo rekela savana o reka di savana tsa ha o qetile di beya mona ha o qetile o apere di lingerie o smart o clean on kutlwa o beile di savana tsa hae mona ha o qetile re baby fuck me nkote ha monate o le clean o shavile kuku o iseng kuku tsa lona o fumane di le tje Jesus ka skela kama Hi Ken ne o beile di savana tseno tsa lona tsa batho ba batsho ne ha o qetile o itse lingerie ha o qetile o tine penti e smart kapa ha wa tina penti batho shavile ha kena a kokota a kena le mathi o mo bulela ha o qetile o itahlela o di mabete ha o qetile o bur baby ko bitseditse hore o tlo nja monaka ha o qetile o ka nna tsamaya o ye ba khotsing ba hao o ntsie mona o le clean o shavile iseng o yentse ntwe iseng kuku ya ina le ntwe iseng kuku ile tje iseng kuka kuku tje kuku tje ai iseng ka kuku tje and only 100% women ai how to takala tsa mona ka bukwena le 100% women ahoy dreadlocks ka bukwetse ena le muriri e ka ringi 100% e ka ringi dreadlocks ai to takala tsa ka kuku ya 100% women hair I footed whoa lona lentina lona le kgathatsa mahla na lantina le motho ring o batla bone kuku ha e bone o funa bone o sumtu kuku maraka e bone ikwa yetsu ki hlat women 100% women have futek suka ai Hayi, lona ngikhathaza maka. Nana so robetse tsena o di ba bet. O baby, ke khana sex monate. Yo baby, how khali? We shine 100% women there. Nta Shams, haiba o tlompotsa di nonsense mo. Mona ha ke moruti, fuck off uswaka. Fuck off hle ke o kopa, fuck off. Fuck off o ye hona le di show tsa ba ruti ona jwale le di live tsa bo TikTok tsa ba ruti. Fuck off man, fuck off. Holy Jerusalem of Holy Angelina Fotek. Mona ke lukisa country ya South Africa mo. Ke lukisa manyalo le malapa mo le di relationship. Fuck off na ke lukisa country kompotsa re ile a senya ka Fotek. O bone ka re ho senyehile. O no lokisitse jwala ha o re ho senyehile. O no lokise eng? Kenya ha we senyehile mona because ho senye if ke senyehile ho senyehile nna ene nna ke monna Fotek. Antina mpe bo Holy Angelina di khamorso tse. O ile a senya ka o no lokisitse ho ro ka tlo complainer ho senyehile. O no lokisitse na. Hey, khamorso. Fotek. Holy Angelina Fotek. Guys, na ke a kwala. You invite your partner BNB. O tlomplelle hey phindota. O tlomplelle re go fe monna ya to jalang BNB ha qetile ba tsamaya ba khotsimang. Ke matla monna ya sebeti ya tlo re a o jelle BNB a qetile ba o sia ya mfuna. Number 2, create that atmosphere at your own place. Create, if you've got a play in privacy, let's say udula town or udula location, but there's enough privacy. Sometimes you buy na maya pry, guys. How mara? You buy na maya pry. You buy wines if libatwa wine, gin if libatwa gin, if libatwa champagne, if libatwa savannah, you buy a savannah. How pretty obori the lingerie it's out this much on Friday. And then call your partner. Baby, please, I know you've got your whatever little friend that's out. But please, Mutuaka, kiko profite mona ka spiti utlo samai. Please, Mutuaka, abakiana ar. Atatile ali shoro to fit. Above mana only smart, only clean. Oko, only clean. How etilo only clean. Ola like naka mona ka site le hona le swimming pool and then hapo una le dry area hona le in hona le plek tse jwalo o di ocho then ha ke tlo mfonela baby I know ha fika afumana o itse lingerie only smart only clean wa utlwa ha ke betile bore baby I know o tlotsa my ke a tseba le wena o dula o le sikwa le different tsa mara baby ko pompe kuku e monate nkote ha monate hle monaka nkote ha o qetile o bore nkote hle baby ha o qetile o tsamaya yes no because ke itse re febiswa ke ntho tse two banna ba febiswa ke ntho tse two fun and good sex and guys you and baba baluna you do have that baba baluna your punana is good baba baluna limonati guys limonati and that is why your partner out choose it nimnat that is why your partner out choose it that is why your partner adulandwe that is why your partner awunyeti nimnandi guys nimnat but the only thing you shapa ngwatswa letsa le focus on the responsibility too much le focus on the responsibility le defer more attention le fa the responsibility attention engwe ikhotseng and that thing you really fe the responsibility attention alona etsa le qeteletse le etsa le downgrade sex ya lona le downgrade sex ya lona le qeteletse le se le sa gone ho eva sex yana ele kopansitseng because or your partner out choose it means unali a good punana or your partner out choose it means unali kwai emunati that is why le nyalane that is why le dulang together that is why your partner out choose it it means you are good but the only thing they say le so naive until batho ba lona ba qeteletse ba se ba qeteletse ba matha ka mora batho ba bang o thole jole o sa safarisa wena because there is somebody am for good sex for good sex ya o qetela e ke batla go bua kana ho khama o rutisa batho ba lona hore a utla sa hlole a galla sex lona ke bua ka yona khamisa motho rutisa motho re ha qeta o ruta a utlore ha sa galla sex tloela go betsa di half karma if motho a qeta o khaba a betsa half karma ha qeta o thewa hodima hao o ntse tlo galla sex half karma e etsa hore still o dule o ntse o galletse sex if o rutisitswe ka tsela ya half karma e etsa hore o dule o ntse o galletse sex indoda yakho boyfriend wa ha ska tswa ka tlong kapa mosadi wa a tsamaya o mo file half karma o ntse tlo galla sex o ntse tlo galla sex mamele mbala go ga I wonder it into nka demonstrate nka yona ke go paskela tsamaya go paskela ki bua ka half karma guys ki bo mamba re bua ka half karma ka speed phamisa matsolo ba re bua ka half karma ki bo mamba half karma ki bo man ka speed kila 15 minutes be kwala obana this thing it leads into obana it leads into obana this thing it's full ne now if a come ne half come e bolela hore this thing in the tshetse this thing in the tshetse hona le karma ribita half karma hiyo o kamme but you still want sex ke half karma o rutile mara you still want to come you still want you still want you still want sex, ontso batla sex, mar o rutile ke have come. 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 Guys, utsima kama ya magneti. Yes. Kama ya magneti. Ikari ya uscrewful. Ikari uscrewful di joint. How qeta o ruta. Uvukuthi awufuni nix. Utor ki rutile ha ke batle nix. A ke batle nix. Guys, ke tlo le ruta the real karma le half karma. Wa bona this thing? Ke itse, ne? Wa bona? Ke half karma. And half karma e bolela hore this thing somebody can I sebedisa somewhere because still in the this thing. If I can give somebody this thing kapa ka ilahlela ka ntle, somebody can use this thing because isa galele lento. Isa galele. Isa ntse itsetsi ntwena. Wana go ga rutisa motho, rutisa partner ra o re a utlo re batla go mkamisalanga rutisa ke tla di ruta ro yetsa jwang mo rutise tje yeah. Umurutise hore swa. Umurutise hore kore ha qeta ha nahana ho tsamaya ka ntho etse, a nahana ho ya stratong ka ntho etse kore umurutise hore kopa tsamaya nna, kopa lo phumula. Lona and mostly about when by verse about rutisani man ko ra o rutisi motho a motho a rote a qhamukuta va ko rutise motho a utlore yana mona teng ke rutila ke ba clinics ko re motho a rote ra utlora ha ke ba clinics ko re o vumtse taya ke ba clinics ke sharp ko ra o so rutisi motho a rote ra utlora ha qetile ba ra ke ba clinics ke sharp. I will tell a good night next because you are like a 9. You are not going to do that a good night how next. I also rutis mutur out or about clinics, but a robber. How some rutis? A little rutis and Nali Abapar. I need any other. Alunala Bapar. And talk of it. A full karma it when listeners problems, lesser dealing lady issues, lesser dealing lady issues. A good karma it when lesser dealing lady issues, lesser dealing lady responsibilities. And guys, I'm telling you, sometimes a man selfish manyalo alone. Forget about your problem, forget about your challenges, forget about your debts, forget about your responsibility. Focus to your marriage, focus to the good sex, because sex is right. Rutisa motho or a qeta o ruta o tswa ha batle next. And also murutisa jwa umkhamisa njani ukuthi I've got akafune next. Umurutisa jwa le have sex. Umujwetse bebe unjwetse ha utlo. Umujwetse baby kopa unjwetse hla o atumetse o ruta hle. Unjwetse umujwetse baby kopa mo. And sometimes it's very important to be a partner ha atumetse o ruta. Fane kumazi. Umuntu akunqase ndelo uchama ufune kumazi. Sonke umutsibe mutho wawo yona otlo ruta. That is why you sex talk. It's very important to communicate. When you make sure that you distract or you make sure that you distract or distract distract so that abuke little karma. So that the time I wrote the last root of the year of the karma of the drain shwa of the wa. To help me focus at the problem. There was a time where baby. We are going to destroy our relationship, because now really refocus the problem. Refocus not the problem at all. Focus the problem inside kereke, rediscuss the problem inside kereke, change uswak. This thing is going to affect us, because now most of the time I need the problem. So guys, little jelua anna. Little jello basadi, little jello solanga, le focus the problem, le focus the colotum. Because kabo madimabi, mo jolong le bu febe, kwana rediscuss the problem, rediscuss the colot. Mani bu febe, le mu jolong, pia kiano anjem. We want to have fun, reajano, one John, ilin twele sa yeti. Until li do la fancy, le lukisa din totin. Until li lukisa din totin. Kiko paskela sama, kito kwa. Kiko paskela sama. Conclusive. Skela sama. Skela sama. Zero 615034617. I want fair. Na guys, if I let's with the relationship in manyalo, the battle creativity. I give you a sometimes play get it on a little nataruna. Both tropo, lunaba dulang the tropo. You can create a good space. Friday, or it's a bribe for partner how, then out petile, otina, your lunch array, it's a bribe, how petile, kapa oseta, a good table, kurueta. Snake or set everything. How to tell you the lingerie? How to tell you call your partner, baby? You go papili, we have a hot in bow, pin, we are different how Lilo, no later. But please, Mutora, you go pot like a tunkamuna 2 minutes if I to someone. Then I feel you spoil your partner kakuko. Or move for good sex and the jana hamunati, let enjoy out a tile, Otobono or Mutuno out of someone. Kenegenali friend yak, any rato do la kawashin. That guy. Every Friday, ne regular kawashing, remember hoti, remember ngata. ke gona ne re le bontate ba 6. Okay. That man una reka wine una re jwetsa this is my partner, this is for my partner, nna le mosadi wa ka re lo dula ka Friday. That guy no tsamaya are Friday is for his wife, inile Friday inile for yena le mosadi wa ile Saturday inile yana for yena le mosadi wa hae. Harabeke ne re dula kaofela ka washing ho fihlela bo 10 o'clock, but ka Friday ntateo ne ke mo respect una ya ka tlong eno nana le jwala ba hae le mosadi wa lona ba no njwala by ithekele ndintho tsa ka lona tsa ka tlong o bitse monna wa hao kapa mosadi wa hao le itulele ka tlong and have fun. Ke itse re febiswa ke dintho tse two. We want fun and we want good sex. Rona banna lona krikite ya lona e re qakile le lona self lona ba sadi ha re tsebe le batlang ma rona banna re batlang ntho tse pedi, good sex and fun. That's all. So if let's bow it's a fun guys, le tlwele dikoloto sometimes ke be tlwelang di responsibility. Ke kopa batho ba reng Dr. Novi, I mean I seen Dr. Novi, Sister Jakubeta or nna ke utlwile bua le na 061 503 4617 061 503 4617. You know, there's only this lady, Jacqueline Lebu, I killing Amobata for my second wife, my second partner name. Sure. I late today in Sekibatla's table because of that. What's about that lady? Wa Lesotho ene ra tlile mon a re tshaketse le lebo ba le ka man ka kitchen ba etsa dijo ba le babedi ne ke ba shoota video ba le babedi ba etsa dijo Friday ba etsa dijo. We were having fun. We were having fun. Yes, we do have fun na le lebo re have a fun ha bohloko, but when Rene that lady, we were having fun because label that lady bana ba pay ha ba qetile ba ba di drinks tsa bona, then hey Luna, hey Luna, Shaka Zulu, we were having fun, we were having fun, yo, we were having fun, we were having fun, we were having fun guys. Lebu atima they have a fun real bit, but hane real raru. It was in the West. In the West. Yo, in the West. In the West. Sister Jacqueline ku phone 061 503 4617. Guys, kima ya buanena 061 503 4617. Guys, let's have fun. Yo, Mudimo Israel, Luna Litsibinix. Nali no take matla second wife and take matla second partner and take back bona. And take back. If you got a second partner, otlabo. Little bona guys. Little bona quotes. Little bona quotes. Jacqueline Lilebu. We are having fun, but we are still waiting for this partner in Maka. How we can tola the second partner? Guys. Ritwele 061 503 4617 061 503 4617. Mphone guys, yo, we were having fun. Yo, Jacqueline Tlakompa mphone na mosadi waka. Akore ke mphone. Hi kampo. Guys, Mutia mwana umutle, Mutia nshebile ngumutle. Yo, Mutimo. number 2 man. How about you number 2? How about you number 2? Get it to WhatsApp now. We partner more. Get it to WhatsApp. Sharp. Yo, guys. Yo, Lunality, we're having fun. Yo. It's just that Runa. Hi, my Puntu.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Jacqueline.
Hi, Wena.
Hi, Wena Puntu.
Hello, Wena, Jacobeto.
Unto Chevelete.
Ke hona hona jole bile a butwa kana e bulela ke ba ke ta o kena ka tlu.
Wa tena hle. Wa tena hle.
Ke wa tswa na go ba ne nna Puntunono.
Oh, ke a hopola ka nnete.
Ya. Puntunono.
Ibile ke a kwala he. Nte kopela batho ke re yes nna le wena re have fun, but there was a time we really ra buisana ra re man ntena ya etsa gore nna le wena re focus, because today ntse ke ruta ka the responsibility tse batho ba focuseng go tsona manyalo le di relationshipeng di etsa gore banna ba batla fun le good sex. Ntho etsa gore banna ba cheat ke o bana batho ba batla fun and good sex.
Ba ka fun le good sex ka malapeng.
Now ke re ho bona now Runa ke la ka ba sharela hanyane but I ka di details ka into details ka re yes we do have fun but hane rena le ntho mangani yana wa nthong ene tshwantse be re monkile wa Lesotho ke ne ke re hono le wese ne
haholo a di me go tsona re na le tsona hle ka mo
hono le wese.
Hello hono le wese go re bile re dutse re bua ka yona ka di memory tseo. Hello
hey Take about your take it one to Runamba, take about your take it Runamba Turia Matlas Fapan. Corrimus number 2, you up.
Haulu. No, Ramo, but keep the Hagasai do later say game. Mama Meta,
Mama Meti.
Keep the Hagasai do later and I say Emeticamoto, Seki Emeticamoto, and then I say search Hakim Matters one. Seki search, Yam Mata. Keep taking nothing search. But you talk like a water. What's so toxic? How's so totally can talk about Pal? Not to take about Takamun. And I can matter shim. Can mat. Oh, Hono Limonati can acquaint Renali of seeing Holimonat.
About to know the Monatis Fapan.
Oh, 7 letters to repair. Hebapala. Oh! You were happening.
Go deeper.
You know what? How to figure one of them.
Hi, Israel, you know, too much information is disgracing.
Sure. Daddy, opela motla o tshwere show re dutse ka bedroom lena o thola ka tene di lingerie.
Yo. Le apere di lingerie.
Ge apere di lingerie o fihla jalo o tsa show, o tsa show.
Ska dropa baby. Baby ska dropa ona le motho ya phone.
Okay.
Lebo.
Yes. I'm just I want to show what.
Lebo. Ke go boetse video. Lebo. Etsa video. Lebo man. Lebo etsa video hle ngwana re go gae. Yo mdimo waka. Guys, yo luna le tsebi next hle. Guys ke akwa. Lebo hle hona le motho ne ke re ke o kenya hona le motho ke batlang ho mo eda mona. Hona le motho ke batlang mo eda ntsa mfounela ka video call ke mara ke tletsa jwa mara. Okay, ke kopa eda Lebo ke kopa eda. Lebo ke kopa eda. Ka pininyana Lebo. Guys, mosadi ke ona o motle, o mosweu. Jale ke batla ba kopanya ba be babedi mo. Le Lebo ke batla ba kopanya mona. Ke batla Jaku nka le bontsha ke rata. Notla phone ya hao. Nto number baby notla phone ya hao. Wena nto nka phone ya o ntshe ka mo ire ba ntshe phone ya o ka mo. E etsa feedback. Ya hao ire banke phone e le mametse ngo yona ba ye ka ntle ka yona ba ye roomong e nngwe. Ire ba ye roomong e nngwe.
Batsihle.
Eke wa utlwa.
Hello darling. O jwang batho mamding? Fa shabo ho jwang sendo sam. Oh, hello, how is that? Tata nan.
Bona motho na apereng yona ha ke tsebe di intention tsa ekeng. Theola hanyane re bone. Theola hanyane re bone.
Ke theole. Ke thola bona ke bone. Phone.
Phone.
Ke theole. Isini pusi.
Phone tjena. Theola tjena.
Ke la ka ona. Se repisite.
Motho
ke bona ho lo hotle mona.
Ne ke bona ho lo hotle mona. Mara jwale ke ena apere ntho tse ntse ke ba kgalmela ka tsona.
Tshela ke le hlaise ka fela ba mpone.
Hai, o se bua ke na le Lebo. Batho ba o bone ke bane ka.
Ha ke tsebe.
No, ka bo bonse. Phone ke ena, ha ona batho ba o shebileng. Phone ke ya.
O ba ke neng live ka yona ke ano kwa.
No, ha ona mo. Nka o se expose jwalo. I will never do that.
Eventually Sunderland dinepe.
O dula kae?
O tla ngomella o ngomella.
Ke qala ka mampeseng di ba teng.
O dula kae?
O malla ntatomkhulu.
O dula
Head
kae?
office. Ke romele head office pe.
O malla head office a tlo fa itshare. A tlo fa itshare.
Account ka ba decline.
O dula kae? O dula kae?
Kival.
O vale. Marumo tene baby.
Ke ka ga lekwa.
Ravale neng.
Luna.
Toho, ba sengwe se.
Di dile ntse le paija mo. Runa re.
A ba dule mo.
Le na pala runa mo. Runa we are building a family. Luna paija mo.
Ba dule mo.
Ke re bana ba sebeletse Facebookung ha ba dile mo no. Runa re aha le lapa mo.
Ha ba dule mo ba utsena malapa ha o thweng ba mamele.
Leboe. Ke la ka o latane
ke re ne ke batla go utlwa go motho yona hona re a ba le neng wena o thola o mamele o thola go mamele
ko ba le lewe
that is the ravale again
ni lewa ba sentitseng
ha it's Thursday ka ke batla ona hana because ke nna tshwareng schedule sa hae
okay head office
Monday but go na gana le commitments ka Monday no Monday ha gana le commitment Tuesday na le tsona le Wednesday le Thursday na le tsona le Friday ga tlo kgetha pakeng tsa Monday le la bohlano
all right
Romela di photo na jo like qeta o dropa mo no ha qeta o dropa romela di photo
ke senda ze
eno ska romela tsa kerekeng fela le tsa holy Jerusalem rona re batla bona ntho tse sexy re batla bona ntho tse sexy
o pa go mela ba thaitse tseo di tinneng
hane ke kolobetsa go ke le batla tsona ka phana ke fitla mo lefatsheng
le tsena tse mo tse le khala di senda o tsa V1 so wa di bona wa di bona tse mo tsa V1
nana se ke tla se ke pasa ke sa
lebo motho ena ha theole borukgo bane ba botinne a kre o tinne topo e smart theola borukgwe a re
anke re mara ke usiu anke
oh kubai shapo romela di photo
mare senda mo sendele di photo tseo
ke senda head office
mo
okay sendela nna
bye
alright ke di lo ntso tsasanto ke bi no mo
Maria Jes
bye guys guys I'm closing guys marne sense ke le jwetsa hore it's very important to have fun manyalo le di relationshiping ke qetile nna that is why ke le jwetsa ke re rona we having fun guys ka nnete ke batlo bua maka we were having fun guys ke bona na le batho ba try on letsetsa but ne ke le busy sorry 061 503 4617 061 503 4617 Runa we are still looking for a partner ya bobedi ke yona le bu qata o bua hona le motho ya qata go phone ona jwala re yena ka le to batla go try go ba number 2 runa re amatla hleng guys Runa re decide lo re etse le fatsi lena le be easy le fatsi lena le batla le nke sample le taba tsa le fatsi le la le batlo be serious ya holo fatshe le la ba tlo lenke ka dipeta o lenke ka bo aggressive make life easy, make your life easy if you want to enjoy the fatshe. Make this world very easy. Nah, guys, thank you so much. I love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Guys, I'm sure today the Tuesday if mo ke khona go le thusa teng. Guys, ke mang ya mfonela wa di last if 061 503 4617. Ke mang ya re mara wa tswa Dr. Novi. Nna ke batla try ya ba mamncane kapa mamkhulu. I want to try this thing ya ba mamncane kapa mamkhulu. Akore kinke motho. Hi.
Snova.
Papa me.
BMW Novivi. Sorry.
Hey, Opa.
Well, my man.
Thank you, my man.
One class, one class.
Oh, that's a full time, get that.
One on better one at 10 not in and out. One. Josie, my weekend cow fair, I order. Interno Vino, Vimano Bobo.
Ufona le kaipa.
She told me to
Firstfield. Oh, thank you so much, Blawaka man.
Yeah, no man, it made a tata. You know, sometimes before Corona, they get a little show. Yeah, I get one at the Tamar. He didn't know what Hamotafu now all I can. And then, yeah. You know, it was a sort of Kanya already. You know, you know, there are a lot of people about Tusa. They can take it as a joke. By Tusa. We are playing a big role, especially when I'm on Bon Maggie by Tata. I get whatever you did that. Car, whatever you did that. You must know that for automatic car. Automatic ya Matsuaro now and Mokobo.
Yeah, wow.
Yeah, Harry Papa automatically were two so and whatever you are sharing with us, especially on Amazon, are too comfortable. Too much when we have that love. Like as you said, there was a guy who used to sit with you guys during the week, and then on weekends that guy and also to challenge on a recasam I do la conclude Friday and Saturday, which is very important. But sometimes every day we must actually spice on our relationship and then challenge. So I come out like a raja, come out like a cheese, come out like a woody. Correta my way, yes, my yain. Come out like a you also doing so. All you're doing to say, you guys are a rugby. Be sure to go.
Sabu Papa!
Never my job, clap and go,
Sabu Papa, man, thank you so much. I really appreciate that, man. Wow. Guys, thank you so much. Can't need that you better want to motivate one John. What's sometimes we need this thing, guys. You know, guys, even Kaliblela sacrifice so much. Like I can't do anything. Fridays is for you guys. Fridays yaka. Ikifile lo na next because now Friday yaka is dedicated for lo na. So if lympha feedback can net kiba happy can net. Kiba so much happy can net. I don't want to learn. Guys, mphone kya kwala 061 503 4617 061 503 4617. Kima yare Novi na ke batla try oba mamncane kapa mamkhulu sister wife ke batla ba sister wife man kima yakho ke mama ene le boele ka tšhelete man kapa le boele ka sponsora kapa le nrekele diphahlo kapa le nrekele pink drink ao lona mare le jwa mare le nrekelela ka ba pink drink kapa diphahlo kapa nromele tšhelete gore ko fa voucher tsa mo reka diphahlo tsa sister Jakubeta ao lona ke mayareng I want to try to be mamncane man 0615034617 Papa
BMW
my brother
ga ke so ke kgaotso ke mara ka ra That's why I got na go yang go te mar ke a boela. So no we thank and appreciate God for actually yeah, we thank him for bringing you because of you are shooting us straight. How ring how ring or shoot us straight or come comfort zone. Or shoot us straight or recover who you Friday happy at the two relationship. Yeah, the two relationship, especially when I went two partners, Baba squinch. Two partners Baba squinch or oh today hampa. Come also thank you. So we need to control our emotions, like as you have said, you know, the relationship is for both people. So I'm very much impressed. Actually, you know, I think there are a lot of people that are losing this show. Channel how fella more you fella already. That's like about 11, about 12. Lot of relationships. Yeah, fix it.
Oh, Papa, man.
And smoothly. You know, I don't wanna lie. Indirect to and Babang says about twisting I think we can witness it. I'm one of them. I'm not gonna keep perfect. I'm not perfect that work. I am not perfect, but and you're not perfect to Montana Malima. And whatever so I know you are a pastor. But sorry, you cannot stop anyone for us but there will be the time so what I like about you is you are preaching the word. And also, you are actually preaching the life as it is, like on a naked eye. The way we are living expensive life. We are living expensive life in a fake, like I'm fake. Just to impress people. And that thing, it plays a big role.
No, thank you, Papa. Thank you so much.
Please don't lose hope. Don't drop the mic. Just keep on doing what you are doing. You are changing our lives. Whoever we didn't beat the car, I said,
wow.
Offer the testimonies, everything you have saved us, my brother. You have made a huge difference actually in our life.
Yeah.
I don't wanna lie, and you know, sometimes you know, I believe more sukiri a thing house na motor.
Wow.
House na motor but sukiri how na motor ya itebala. Because I don't know we limit.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, no, please carry on. Don't drop the mic.
Thank you so much, Tata. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Tata.
Thank you so much. Guys, I'm leaving. Somebody, Busisiwari. Thank you so much. Busisiwari, where can I get a pink drink? eating Shoprite, eating all over. Please, guys. Guys, Lina Kelling, getting or Lina, Keki Smiley, because it is not right to give me several Pirabaka because I can't do anything. I can't go anywhere at Friday because Jolly Kina Luna, guys. I little na name, can it. Yeah. Guys! I'm tormenting photo mona. Ay, Shaka Zulu. TV manual of our generation. Guys, give me a really like over triumph over sister wife, man. Sister wife. Zero, even if we're today on Tuesday, Dr. November, hi, Sister Jacobeta, 061 503 4617. 061 503 4617. I'm leaving. I'm tired. Yeah! Guys, na ke ra re etse manyalo rena be monate le di relationship a re di etse di be monate ke a le kopa guys ke kwale he because ke wa tshwana ke lona bana di nkhoshe di tsekere le mfounele le ya sukudisa ka palna data alna airtime lona ka mogole sene le iphoqang ka teng alna o le potsotso 061 503 4617 061 ke tlo rumela le bohle a ke mare nka se bontshe mo a be di hle ka se bontshe mo ke tlo bontsha ko rumele no ke ko rumele no mare rumeletse le nngwe ma o rumeletse photo ile nngwe fela ko rumeletse yona ngwana go gae hayi maro motle ma hayi motle Shaka Zulu. Oh, guys, Kubai, Lewana Lankotita 061 503 4617. Yaring. Hi. Bye. I love you. Mwah. 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 Guys, thank you so much. Until we meet again. Nali Sister Jacqueline. And I'm sure que akhola be yeng tla motla ba le teng Sister Chaku mala bona ntse relationship ke yona ntse re bua le yena. And then if you want to bua le runa my personal number is 073 202 9079 073 202 9079. If you want to try to be Mam Nani, you can send kushushu kuzoba hot kuyafisa hayi ukuri kifitsetse Jacqueline Chaku ne kiri kifitsetse ka wena uswaka ubone lwena ka try guys no lona bantse ba emetsi hore na ke batla na will never ngasi be mamncane ka ngasi be mamkhulu ngasi keni step ifihlile na kwa step wena le rata ka parati ifihlile na kwa step ifihlile mona tujwa ifihlile Shaka Zulu Shaka Zulu baby ntse fitsetsa wena no shame guys ifihlile na kwa step today I really into Killer K nna le bogotso ka Schofield somebody o se mongwe tla wona Dr. November tlhola ko mamela every day a re ke divorcitse monna wa ka a re ke peta go divorce a re as we speak now a re ke side chick a re ke stepung but se seng molaong a re ke ka ra step guys if fihlile la le ke la hana la le ke la breaker if fihlile na kwa step bozodwa mthombeni ifihlile na kwa step bana ba ka ifihla monate jwang whether le a rata ka pirate na kwa polygamy ifihlile bana ba ka bona ifihlile bona whether le a rata because banna ba responsible all of them and I can say every woman obata monna responsible I was saying that radio Motheo FM ne ke ruta ka ntho Motheo FM ke re banna basadi ba batla banna ba responsible batla ho jwetsa no now I want a responsible man ke batla monna ya responsible but ka bo madima all responsible men are committed is either banyetse kapa bakara committed relationship so now whether le hana kapa le hali le breaker ba toksala ikore nako ya step ifihlile bana ba go gae ifihlile amnati jwang ifihlile Lerato peace are step is the new love life can net shame I agree with you my pastor bona ifihlile bona if never bona they will never go for step yes I agree they will never go for step sela se officially but bantsa batlo ya stepung sa di back door bantsa batlo ya stepung sa di back door bantsa batlo ya stepung sa di back door lentse le tlo ya stepung sa di back door because okusalayo if you are saying nna ke batla a responsible man I want taking care somebody will take care kanna all of those people all of those men are committed somewhere very committed ba bang ba tsamaile ke di gay ba le ba batlang ba smart ba bang ba tsamaile bana ba go gae ba tsamaile le ditedu tsa bona tse smart body dark and chocolate of the kana ditedu king kana dibitsong ditedu BS lona bana ba batla banna ba smart ba hambe nendevu zabo ba tsamaile le ditedu tse ntsa bona tse smart ba bang ke di gay ba bang ba committed if you don't believe me you will see one day o tla bo le ka ra step marsa back door si fihlile na kwa step if fihlile it's just that no le tlo tshaba ho tla ho nna because now le tlo iplela right now nka se imone because no nna ke a tshaba I know because you know why because how so ka ba le batho ba honest ba reng nna ke ka ra polygamy and ke a kena how so ka ba le batho ba ka ra polygamy mar ba ka ra polygamy ka back door ba ka ra back door but batho ba honest to nna I go for polygamy ba few ba ipatile wa utlwa but wait and see runa bo November re qadile no nna ona jwala I'm looking for a second partner ke tlo ba nyala ka letsatsi le 1 mohlang ke nyalang ke tlo ba nyala e motla ba eme mona mamkhulu mamncane a eme mona re eme pela re eme tjena I don't know re tla be re tsama ka di bike ka ba re tla be re nyalana re le somewhere kai but nna ke tlo nyala ka letsatsi le 1 tla be ke nyala basadi ba babedi ke etsa official nna ke tlo nyala step nna ke ntse ke batla re ntse re matla second wife re matla sister wife re matla high and low and I don't hesitate and I can't say jika nna ke matla lona ditsotsi tse decidileng ho ba di side chick tsa forever di legend tsa di side chick dulang le bo side chick bon ba lo dulang le ntse le patue ne fihliwe le patue le tsofala le ntse le stepung sa di back door because o kusala ikore le ka ra di step and then you lupala di figure ntse di sortea and di looks ntse di fela dulang hlalane but one day ke tla be ke ditse mona leng khal ba bang ba nne le tla be le khaletse le jo wa tsaba ene no vi khalantsa ro batla second wife nna ne ke tshaba le ntse le tlo galla le tlo re galla mnate jwa yo le tlo re galla le tlo re galla le tlabe o bua nnete matlonde ba bang ke DJ ba bang ba tronkong Grootvlei o bua nnete guys nako ya polygamy e fihlile nako ya polygamy e fihlile you like it or not e fihlile nako ya polygamy because I know lona basadi le rata gore nna I want somebody who's going to love me, somebody who's responsible, somebody but yes bateng batho bao mara all of them they are very committed. Le tlo ba di legend ntatis le tlo ba di legend tsa di tape legend of the crocodile of the human right of the tsagale o tsofalla stepung side o tlo ba side chick ya stepung yo na qetile guys kuba nna if le mpatla le batla bua le nna 073 202 9079 073 202 073 202 9079 073 that's my personal number 073 202 9079 073 202 9079 le fitlile bana ba go gala o tla ha fitlile ba go step and ba bang le ka ra tsona ba bang even now as we speak le freewa ke bana ba nyetseng as we speak le freewa ke bana ba nyetseng Paul love are le yena ba tla step Paul ke yena le yena ro se batla step le nna ke se batla butu ka Paul ke se batla high and low and nna ka like le partner ya ka e batla step lebo o batla step if itlile guys like it or not if itlile na kwa step mara kre ke le rata lona batho ba batho le emela batho ba qale dintho di bile ona le tlanka mra tsona le tlo di etsa batho ba qata o di etsa but for now ke a tseba le tlo re no na step in but o ksala step se fihlile ba bang ba lona le ka ra sona already sentse le jwala le banna ba batho le di boyfriend tsena le di girlfriend tsa bona le senya nako ya lona bye I love you le mamele Motheo FM guys ka di Wednesday Motheo FM ka di Wednesday God bless you.